everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. First of all, happy Friday the 13th, everybody. I hope it's a very lucky Friday the 13th for all of you. It sure is lucky for me. Today we're heading out to go to the annual Michigan Taco Fest. There's gonna be tons of tacos, yummy Mexican food, mariachi bands. There's gonna be like a wrestling over there going on, and a lot of eating contests as well. They have a hot pepper contest, the cutest chihuahua contest, and also a taco eating contest. With आज मैं आप सब लोगों को एक taco fest पे लेकर जा रही हूँ. वहाँ पे ढेर सारा yummy Mexican food होगा, बहुत अच्छा music होगा, mariachi bands होंगे. Quickly wanted to show you guys my shirt. I got this shirt in Cancun, and I haven't had a chance to wear it ever since I got back from Cancun. When I did wear this shirt in Cancun, I wasn't a YouTuber, so I don't have a video of it, but I do have pictures. I made like a collage type of a thing, and I did make a video of that, so I'll put the link of that in the description below, so make sure you guys check that out and check this shirt out. I absolutely love this shirt. It reminds me so much of Cancun. So stay tuned with me, guys, and let's go to the Taco Fest.
As soon as my lovely photographer, you're waiting for him. All right, so I'm gonna trust you guys to help me pick the winner. I'm also gonna be watching, but ready, set, eat that ghost pepper.
Oh my God. Wanted to quickly introduce you to a really cute furry friend I saw here. Look at this. Tezzy, you want to say hi? Look at this. Come up, come up, come up. Look at this cute little dog. Look at that. His name is Tezzy. Oh, look at that. Look. Look at how adorable he is, guys. Look at that. Look at how totally cute he is. Look at him. Look at that face. I want to introduce you to Tezzy's owner, Neeti. This is her cute dog. She'll tell you how long she's had him, and he's a very picky eater. I've noticed that. Go ahead, Neeti.
So I've had him for about a year now, in July. His birthday just went. We celebrated.
Oh, okay.
We actually had a party at home.
Oh.
And he's adopted though, so.
How did you pick his name?
He came with the name, I didn't change it.
Okay, perfect. Guys, look at him. What a cute little face. He's such a good dog. He's sitting so comfortably with her. This is the kind of dog I want, who just sits with me and plays with me. Look at his little baby face. Thank you so much, Neeti. He's such a cute dog. They have so many different activities here, so many stalls, lots of different kinds of food, not just Mexican food. You guys can see all of these food trucks. They're all around the whole entire park. This event is reminding me so much of the night market that I attended in Los Angeles. If you guys haven't checked that video out, I will put the link of it below, but this is exactly like that. Check that out. And they have Buddha here as well, which is corn. ये जो event है, ये मुझे इतना remind कर रहा है जो LA में मैं night market में गई थी. अगर आप लोगों ने वो वीडियो चेक नहीं किया तो उसका description में मैं link डाल दूंगी. Make sure to check that out. ये देखिए मेरे पीछे, इधर बुट्टा भी है, सब कुछ है, इतना सारा different kind of food. You guys want to introduce yourselves? What is your name?
Mariachi Cristal.
Voz de la guitarra mía, al despertar la mañana, quiere cantar de alegría a mi tierra mexicana.
Enjoying my tacos with flour tortilla, chicken, cilantro, and onions. And they serve it with lime wedges as well as radishes. They're excellent, guys. I highly, highly, highly recommend you guys come out here and try these and get tacos. इतने delicious हैं. मैंने chicken के लिए लिए हैं. Check that out. Right over there is the Mariachi band. This is literally a meal with wonderful music. Look at these yummy tacos, guys. Very, very good tacos. Pieces of radish. इनके tacos इतने अच्छे हैं, उसके साथ ये छोटी छोटी radishes के pieces भी दे रहे हैं और lime wedges के साथ. ये देखें इनके tacos.
Allá arriba, allá arriba, allá arriba, allá arriba, allá arriba, 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 bamba, 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 bamba. Yo no soy marinero, yo no soy marinero, yo no soy marinero, soy capitán, soy capitán, soy capitán.
Are absolutely gorgeous. ये देखें, ये सारे हैंडमेड हैं. कितने खूबसूरत पर्सेस हैं. ये वाला मैं एक ले रही हूँ. Enjoy some funnel cake right now. Let's try it. It's still warm.
Oh, I know. All right.
ये बहुत मालपुआ की तरह like similar है. ये फ्राइड है, उसके ऊपर पाउडर्ड शुगर लगाया हुआ है. So ये देखें. The lady next to me, Neeti, with the dog, she's the one who told me, yes, this is so like malpua.
And you guys got some big gold shiny belts. Big gold shiny belts. So why don't you guys put those big gold shiny belts on the line? What do you got these? You've already beaten us, right? Sandals, you already beat us, right? You already beat us. So why don't you put the tag titles on the line? What do you got to lose unless you guys are chicken? Do you want to see? No soil pile! Serious bravado and ridiculoso take on the self-proclaimed popular people, Alex Van Zandt and Forever Young, in a Pro Wrestling All-Stars Tag Team Title main event. What do you guys say? You guys want to see it? Let's make it official right here, right now. The self-proclaimed popular people against the party monsters. Bring them back.
I'm showing you guys the wrestling as well. देखिए मैं आप लोगों को wrestling भी दिखा रही हूँ.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winners of the match and new Professional All-Stars Tag Team Champions.
I hope all of you guys enjoyed this taco fest with me. I hope आप सब लोगों को मजा आया ये taco fest पे मेरे साथ. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. The winner of the Lucha Libre Wrestling is gonna say my favorite saying with me. Are you ready? Congratulations! Yeah. First of all, wish him a lot of congratulations for winning that match.
Yeah, and then 3,
2, 1. Remember, always believe in yourself. Love yourself. And take care of yourself. Until next time, from the Taco Fest with the wrestlers. Bye, guys.
Bye, humans.